हाय फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स गो अहेड। हमने कल से एक चेंज स्टार्ट करी है कि हम चैप्टर वाइज क्वेश्चंस जो 5 एग्जाम में आ रहे हैं हम रिवाइज कर रहे हैं। अगेन मैं बोल रही हूँ, आई वोंट बी गोइंग इन डेप्थ ऑफ द concept के लिए you'll have to go for my website, you have to go for the pendrive or Google link. I'm just discussing the questions over here which has been asked in past exams. हमें क्लियर? तो हमने कल चैप्टर 1 स्टार्ट किया था। चैप्टर 1 में हम लोग ने पेज नंबर 3 पे we had done the questions. हमें क्लियर? अब हम लेट्स गो टू नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर जो स्ट्रेटेजिक मैनेजमेंट के बारे में बात करता है। एंड फॉर द स्ट्रेटेजिक मैनेजमेंट ऑन पेज नंबर 6 वी हैव 6 क्वेश्चंस। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सी ऑल आर करेक्ट इनकरेक्ट। अब आपके मन में आएगा मैम करेक्ट इनकरेक्ट एग्जाम्स में तो नहीं पूछे जा रहे, अग्रीड नहीं पूछे जा रहे, बट द सेम क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड इन डिफरेंट मैनर। डू यू अग्री विद द स्टेटमेंट और नॉट, गिव रीजन। तो ये करेक्ट इनकरेक्ट का दूसरा फॉर्म हो गया। Am I clear? And secondly, by this your concepts becomes more clear. So let's go to the first question. Correct, incorrect. Developing annual objectives and short-term strategies that are compatible with a selected set of long-term objectives are one of the major tasks of strategic management. Yes or no? Yes. ये definition ही तो देती है एक तरीके से। See हमारी definition क्या होती है? Vision. हमारी डेफिनेशन क्या होती है? विजन, मिशन, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स एंड गोल्स, एनालिसिस, फॉर्मुलेशन, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, इवैल्यूएशन एंड कंट्रोल। हम क्या करते हैं? हम लोग एनुअल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स बनाते हैं एंड शॉर्ट टर्म स्ट्रैटेजीज बनाते हैं दैट आर कंपैटिबल विद द सिलेक्टेड लॉन्ग टर्म ऑब्जेक्टिव्स। विजन क्या है? जैसे लॉन्ग टर्म ऑब्जेक्टिव है are the major task of strategic management. In short, they ask you the definition only. So you have to write correct and you have to give the definition. Definition क्या है? Definition is question number 3. What is strategic management? Vision, setting objectives, crafting strategy, formulation or implementation strategy, and last is evaluation. Next question, question number 2. Organizations sustain superior performance over a long period of time in spite of rapid changes taking place continuously in the competitive environment if they implement strategic management successfully. Discuss. क्या क्वेश्चन पता, प्रॉब्लम क्या पता है? लैंग्वेज। तुमको क्वेश्चन ही समझ में नहीं आता है। जब क्वेश्चन ही समझ में नहीं आता है तो तुम आंसर क्या लिखोगे? यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन क्या पूछे? व्हाट दे हैव आस्क्ड ओवर हियर इज दैट organization will have superior performance even if the environment is highly unstable, dynamic, turbulent. If you implement strategic management successfully, that means if you go for strategic management, you will be able to survive and grow. In short, they are asking you the advantage of strategic management, and in fact, you can write in 1 or 2 lines the definition of strategic management. The definition we have just did it. Advantages, how many are there? 6 are there. With 6, strategic management helps in survival and growth, is more proactive instead of reactive, helps in decision making, it's visionary, it acts as corporate defense mechanism, and it involves core competency and creates competitive advantage. Am I clear? Am I clear? Third question, correct, incorrect. Strategic management involves cost. Yeah, huge cost. Why? Because see over here, it's a costly process. Why costly process? This is question number 5. Limitations. Why costly? Because to do analysis, you need experts, you need strategists. An expert won't come freely. They will charge you big salaries. It's a costly process. Correct. Fourth, a very good question. Information gathering and deep analysis will eliminate uncertainty. Boss, how much you gather the information about the environment? You can never gather 100% information because there is something called as inherent unpredictability. There is something called as inherent unpredictability. There is something which is inherent, unpredictable. How much you try to predict, you cannot predict it. It is inherent. To that much extent which you're unable to predict, you won't be able to understand what is going to happen, so you won't be able to eliminate uncertainty, right? The information gathering will never help you to eliminate uncertainty, but yes, it will help us to reduce or handle uncertainty. Am I clear? Am I clear? I hope you're with me. Now come to fifth question. See the language. Question is so simple. Matlab answer is really simple, provided you understand the language. The presence of strategic management can counter all hindrances and always achieve success for a company. What's the question? The line SM will help you to hinder or counter. It will help you to achieve success. But still you have limitations. This is a direct question. Limitations means disadvantages. How many are there? Three are there. Environment is complex and turbulent. SMS time consuming and SMS costly affair. Am I clear? But see, the same question asked in different language. SM is not a panic. What is panic? Yeah. Solution for all the corporate ills. SM is not a solution for all the corporate problem as it has its own pitfalls, own limitations, own limitations. I hope you're with me. Which can't counter all hindrances and always achieve success. Am I clear? I hope you're getting a point. That means SM can't be a solution to all the problems because SM has their own limitations. In short, what they're asking you people, they are asking you people the disadvantage of strategic management or the limitations of strategic management. Am I clear? Am I clear? And last question, how to deal with strategic uncertainty? Uncertainty denotes that strategic uncertainty denotes that uncertainty has crucial implications for the company. A typical external analysis will emerge with dozens of uncertainties. To manageable, they need to be grouped into logical clusters or themes. It is then useful to assess the importance of each cluster in order to set priorities with respect information gathering and analysis. Is simple understand karo. How to handle uncertainty. When you do analysis, you gather when you do analysis, dozens of uncertainty will come. What need to be done? You need to group them, and after grouping them, make see which is which is more important, and after that, then go for further information which will help you in reducing uncertainty. Am I clear? So this 6 questions clear. That means we are done with one more part of chapter 1. Am I clear till here? Sure. So for next part, I'll be taking it tomorrow. And if you want to go in depth, you'll have to go further my website www.cameetamangal.com. Am I clear? Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.